I got so excited I forgot. Yeah, so this was kind of coordinated, like Agnes Nixon's storyboard, but bigger. You can believe whatever you want to believe, but I believe my way. Sorry. So we started with the Phillips collection in 1993. December 92, actually. Others, and currently I think they've stopped handing these out. Cheapos. This retrospective actually started at the Baltimore Museum of Art. Oh, they had these maps in the basement. I cried. It was the end. Oh, I did. You want to know why? Because out of the corner of my eye, there were these Victorian wooden doll houses. And that was right before the housing bubble. I said, ooh, it's going to go like a big tornado. I think around that same time, wasn't there a Brooke Shields, Suddenly Susan, and then she thought she was like Alice in Wonderland coming out, but wasn't she coming in and out of a house? Oh, that Brooke, she goes either way. It started in Baltimore. So basically fascinating, if you ask me. These things had to go back to the sending museum, and then they had to be reinsured, right? You can't just go from one to the other. You have to return the items. It has a provenance. They will say, well, it started at Baltimore and then it went there and then whoever it went. These, all of them on loan. But of course, at MoMA, MoMA's much bigger, even before they renovated it. But you know what? That Baltimore Museum of Art, they may be a little more powerful than MoMA. But MoMA in Ohio, Ohio, I know you wouldn't think that. They are the toughest. Trust me. They have art. They have art before pop art. That's the problem. We'll never find that out, but whatever. Chihuly at the Botanical Gardens. This one was at the Phillips. I traveled because I'm a Jasper Johns groupie. There was one signer in 1984 at College Park. I don't know who needed them, but when I was mandated for rehabilitation, re-education, and customer service, like I don't know how to be customerized, there were two. I'm assuming, I'm just telling you now another thing about labor life. So they had one signer, not here. He just made it. It's sign language. It's sign language. In 84, there was one person requiring this person somewhere in the front row, I guess. Now, 23 years later, there's two, just in case one has to go to the bathroom. You can't have those deaf kids. Oh, my classmates are all deaf, but I don't know how much. They drive and the radio's really loud. How do they hear I don't know. And like I told you once before, the deaf kid said, "Do your Elvis. I thought you were deaf." All right. Ever since. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, Jasper Johns. This is the one with the Shrinky Dink. Remember Shrinky Dink? It goes in the oven. It's not a lie. Oh, it looks like this. Now I sat in front of that one with the little dominoes, red and white, that some people say it could be Dahomey. There is one in there. There is the Tasmanian Devil. Oh, I had them all. And each one of them, really. But that's okay. I left them behind. This, believe it or not, what was your favorite? It was this one. As far as the eye can see. How far can you? I can see better before. Yeah, this was a good one. That's it. Like I just thought of one today. Proud of your product. Are you proud of your product, Democrats? I don't think so. You just wait for that one. It's percolating. Ooh, it's not good for anybody, really. And it's evil. It's not evil. It's what you need to hear. You see, because you've been riding on the nicety of other people, respecting the grieving process, when you, in actuality, I don't think you know what the word means. Well, anyway, like I said, I pay. You got aid. Whether or not you choose to share, Adaman 1907 was 100% sharing art of New York City. You share nothing. Mr. Makasani, Opera Club, 6th grade, 1975. Those are the slides to the opera. It's very hard to find these things. Why is that? You do not know, you only need to know the scenery. But if you keep changing that scenery, and that's all right too, I don't care what you're doing. But do not, you understand? I'm sure somewhere in that, we got to see Luciano when Luciano first came. I think I know how to go to the opera because I didn't start at Annie. I started at Lincoln Center with Mr. Makasani. So don't. You understand? You're not as smart as somebody else. You may think you are, and that is very unfortunate because, as somebody said, that's like hubris.